Welcome, dear students. We are going to the next chapter in Business Studies, Class 12, Planning. You know very well, in the first chapter, we learned what are the different functions of business organization. A management will perform functions like planning, organizing, directing, staffing, and controlling. And in this video, you are going to learn about what is planning and what are its features. So, planning, you know very well, without planning, we can't exist in this world. So, to plan, we have to need an intellectual brain. We have to plan everything for the successful life. So, planning is very essential. Without planning, we can't move. In business also, planning is very important because it is the first and foremost function. So, planning is nothing else looking about the future. It is a prediction. It is a prediction about the future. So, planning is a process of setting objectives by way of gathering information and analyzing it to forecast the future situations and selecting suitable course of action from available alternatives, following which the objectives can be achieved. So, in order to achieve the organizational objectives, we have to plan. And planning involves deciding in advance what is to be done in future, what to do, when to do, where to do, how to do, and for whom to do. And we have to look at the results and must be evaluated. So planning is the foremost function in management and it have lots of features. So we have to look at the characteristics of planning. Lot of characters are there. And the first one is planning is the primary function. As we said earlier, planning is the primary function of management. And without this planning, nothing is possible. So, what to do, when to do, for whom to do, it is possible only through planning. And planning is goal-oriented process, and it is a process of defining and achieving the goals. There can be without any planning, it is not possible. To achieve goals, planning is essential, and it is an intellectual process. Every time to draw a colorful inference, a solution, and prediction about the future, planning is necessary, and it will depend upon a lot of factors. Planning is all pervasive. All pervasive means it is available at all levels of management. It is available at all levels of management. So remember, it is another feature of planning. And it is a continuous process. Planning is a continuous process. Remember, without planning, we can't do anything. And from the very beginning of the organization up to the end, it will go. So it is a continuous process. Planning integrates all the activities in an organization. It integrates the different activities, maybe setting goals, collecting materials, everything in an organization, every materials, every activities are integrated. Then planning is efficiency and effectiveness. So planning helps to do everything in a right manner. Right things in a right manner can be possible only with the efficient, effective planning. And planning involves alternatives and choices. Every time, planning is based on alternatives, and we are selecting the best alternative to achieve goals. So, it involves alternatives and choice. Planning is future-oriented process. Already we said planning is future-oriented. Why? Because we are predicting about the future. We are determining what will happen in future. So it is future-oriented. And planning is flexible. Planning is flexible in the sense it is every time depending upon the time, and it will change according to the time. So these are the important features or characteristics of planning. Hope all the points are very clear for you. Develop all the ideas by watching the video and again and again. And thanks for sharing all these videos in your friends. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you. Thank you so much.